Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing power and access. Keep the battery above 20% and remove the case and SIM tray so you can inspect ports. First actionable step, force reboot the Infinix by holding power plus volume up for about 10-12 seconds. You do this to clear a stuck process and trigger boot diagnostics. Once done, visually inspect the charging port and speaker grills. If you see lint, use compressed air or a wooden toothpick very gently. This fixes poor contacts that cause random shutdowns. If hardware checks look fine, move into software isolation. Boot the phone into safe mode so you can see if a third-party app causes the on/off cycle. To do that, hold power, long press power off, and choose safe mode. If the issue stops, uninstall recent apps. If not, check system updates in settings and note the build number because bad OTA updates can trigger reboots. Once updated or confirmed, wipe the cache partition from recovery to clear corrupted temporary files without erasing your data. For persistent power cycling, back up everything and perform a factory reset only as a last resort. You must save photos and contacts to cloud or PC beforehand. After reset, check battery health with built-in diagnostics or a multimeter. Unstable voltage means replace the battery. If resets and a battery swap don't help, reflash the official stock firmware to fix corrupted system partitions, or take the phone to authorized service. Make sure you have your purchase receipt as warranty proof. Quick troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.